Hello, my name is Holly Delgado, and I am going to use my everyday object, the tube from my vacuum, to find the center of mass of this object. So first I'm just going to see if I can eyeball it and find exactly where the center of mass is, and if I can pick it up at that point and just move it forward, upward. So I'm using my lovely assistants, my two bar stools here to help hold it since my dogs aren't very good at using their paws. So here we go. We're just trying to see. And you can tell. Okay, so that actually worked out a lot easier. I thought that was going to be a little bit harder to find. So the other way is to take an object, and I'm going to rest it on my fingers on either end, and I'm just going to push inward with my hands until they touch, till my fingertips touch. And every time I do it, I should be able to find the center of mass no matter where I start. So we're going to need to see if that works. So here we go. So right now I can. There we go. So you can see that a couple times both hands stopped a little bit. Like even though I was trying to push them at the same time, the weight would shift and one finger would move while the other one would stay still. And that has to do with the one finger being closer to center of mass than the other one, and then the weight shifting, causing more friction on one finger than the other. And so I'm going to try it from this side, and I can tell now there's a lot of weight on my left finger. So as I'm trying to push towards this left finger, doesn't really move, and it just moved right there, maybe like less than half an inch to find the center of mass. So I'll try it from the side, and the same, all the weight's on my right finger. So as I'm pushing, there's nothing, no movement until I get about right close to the center, and then I get about like a half an inch of movement. So try it from the edge. And that almost didn't work. But yeah, so that is a cool way I found to find the center of mass of objects that you have around the house. So I didn't try with anything too crazy, but you could probably get a little creative and try different objects. So actually, we're going to do it with a broom. So I'll try it again. So obviously, just by looking at it, you can tell that it's probably a little bit heavier on that side. So the center of mass is going to be a little more over here, but we'll see. So until I get about right there, and then perfect. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So there was a long time, there was a pretty big distance where just my right hand was moving because the mass, the friction was pushing down more on my left hand until we got a little closer to the center. Let's try it over here. And this one didn't move at all right there. It just moved maybe a quarter of an inch. So that's my experiment. That's my final exam video. I hope you found it interesting, and have a great day.